converter, a tune, you name it, it's got it. And what we did, we left the resonator on it, cut this gigantic muffler off, and put a FLOWFX on it. That sounds sexy. It's okay, let it ring. It's okay. What do you guys think? Let us know. GMC Yukon, fully built, as you guys can hear. We just put a FLOWFX on it. You know, the typical grocery getter. But that sounds sick. That's how they should all come, in my personal opinion. Get on it! Oh man, that's sick. Phenomenal. Hope you guys like it.